Hello students, I welcome you in the new video of class 10 social science chapter agriculture. In the previous video we had studied about the types of farming, types of crops, season and other things. In this video we will study about the particular crops. We will study the particular crops. First we have to study rice. A simple method I am telling you, if you describe a crop, then for heading you have to include in your answer first when this crop sown and harvesting, next heading temperature, which temperature required to the particular crop, rainfall and areas of production. These four things you have to mention in your answer. Your 3 marks answer will be complete. Sowing season and harvesting season, temperature, how much temperature needed for the particular crop, rainfall, how much rainfall needed, and areas of production, in which areas of our country the particular crop production in the specific areas. Now we will study the rice. Rice is the staple food of the people of India. In India, the majority of the people staple diet, ये स्टेपल फूड है, मीन्स सबसे ज़्यादा खाए जाने वाला चावल, राइस एंड इट इज ए खरीफ क्रॉप. It sown when the onset of monsoon. It means when monsoon comes in India. जब मानसून आ जाता है तब खरीफ क्रॉप बोए जाते हैं, राइस लगाया जाता है, प्लांटिंग की जाती है. ऑनसेट ऑफ मानसून एंड टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड to the rice crop about 25 degrees centigrade. It needed the high temperature and humid climate for the production of the rice. Now rainfall, because it is sown in the onset of the monsoon, it means it needed the much rainfall, 100 centimeter rainfall, 100 rainfall in the particular season. In the areas of less rainfall, it is grown well, use of irrigation. With the facilities of irrigation, tube well, canal and wells and other equipment used by the farmers for the irrigation. In the areas of less rainfall, the crop production is done by the help of irrigation. like Punjab, Haryana and Western UP. Now, producing states, producing areas, where in these areas, in which areas the rice producing areas, producing areas north and northwestern part of the country, Deltic region, and the coastal areas of the country. If you look the states, then Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Western UP and West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, almost in all parts of the country, the rice is grown in India. Now, the next crop, another important crop, wheat. It is grown well in winter season. In winter season, it means the wheat is the main crop of Rabi crop. ये रबी क्रॉप्स का मेन क्रॉप्स है. It needs low temperature. That's why it is grown well in winter season in the low temperature, 15 to 25 degrees centigrade. Rainfall 50 to 75 centimeter, and in the areas of less rainfall, it is grown in with the help of irrigation. Irrigation means सिंचाई की सुविधाएं, कैनल, ट्यूबवेल, wells. Now, producing areas. Producing areas. In the producing areas, main Punjab, Haryana and Western UP and Himachal Pradesh are the main producing states of the wheat. In the north part of the country, wheat is the staple diet. Now, the next crop, we will study maize, makka. Maize, it is used food and fodder. It means ये फूड की तरह भी यूज होती है एंड फॉडर चारा पशुओं का चारा होता है उनके लिए भी मेज का यूज़ किया जाता है। इसके लिए टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड टू 27 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, and in the few states like Bihar, it is also grown with the rabi crops. It means maize is a crop can grow in the rabi season and the kharif season also. In few states of the country like Bihar, the maize grown in the rabi season also, in the winter season. With now the next crop pulses. Pulses, India is the largest producer and the consumer of the pulses. इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा क्रॉप्स, सबसे ज़्यादा पल्सेस उगाई भी जाती है, लार्जर प्रोड्यूसर है, और सबसे ज़्यादा कंज्यूम भी होती है, उपभोग भी होती है, मतलब खाई भी जाती है, बिकॉज a majority of the people in India, they are vegetarian. Pulses like moong, urad, arhar, peas, gram and other pulses, they are sown to the crop rotation. क्रॉप रोटेशन करने के लिए, फसल चक्र को ठीक करने के लिए दालें बोई जाती हैं, उगाई जाती हैं, और अरहर के अलावा बाकी जितनी दालें होती हैं ये फर्टिलिटी को रिस्टोर करती हैं, मतलब जमीन को उपजाऊ बनाने का काम भी करती हैं जो दालें उगाई जाती हैं. These are the restore the fertility of the land, of the soil. Now the other important crop, sugarcane. Sugarcane, it is the plant of tropical and subtropical areas. Tropical and subtropical. It means the sugarcane can be grown in the cool climate and the moderate climate. High rainfall and high humidity areas and the cool climate. Sugarcane temperature needed 21 to 27 degree. Rainfall, this crop to need 75 to 100 centimeter, and in the areas of less rainfall, the the production of the sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of the sugarcane after the Brazil, and India is the second largest producer of sugarcane after Brazil, but in the production of gur and khand sari, India secured the first position in the production of gur and khand sari.